What's up internet, I am Manish from rebellionwriter.com. In this tutorial we will learn how to customize the script console in Atom Editor. In case you don't know what is a script, then let me quickly tell you. But before that, hit the thumbs up button and like the video. Also, this year I am wishing for 1 lakh subscribers, so please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Now let's start. Script is a plugin which lets you execute a program and see its output in the Atom editor itself. Such functionalities are hard to find in a text editor, but comes bundled with various IDEs. Such IDE-like features can easily be used in Atom Editor using plugins. I have demonstrated how to install the aforementioned plugin in the previous video. I suggest you to go and check it out if you haven't already. Now the question here is, why do we need to customize the script plugin's output console? To answer this question, we will use the same script which we created in the last tutorial. This script has only one executable statement. For the demonstration, this will be enough. Let's execute and see the output. Here is our output. Everything looks perfect except this output console. There are two problems here. First is the font size. We cannot increase or decrease the font size of the output. And the second is the height of the console. Although it allows us to decrease the height as well as collapse it completely, but it won't let us increase it. Both these problems combined make the output less appealing from the reader's point of view. Let's see how to solve these problems. That is, increase the font size of the output and adjust the height of the console of this script plugin in Atom Editor. In order to solve these problems, we need to write a few lines of CSS code. Let's do that. First, go to the File menu and select Style Sheet. This will open up your style.less file. Here we will do a very simple styling for our output console. Let's do it. Let's first increase the font size for the output. For that, go to the end of the file and write this code. To increase the font size, we will target two classes of the script plugin. These two classes are script-view and line. Here I have set the font size to 24 pixels and margin at 2.5 pixel. I have set these values according to my preference. You can set them according to yours. You can see these changes as soon as we will save the file. Let's do that. I think our output is looking much better now. So our font size problem is solved. Now let's move on to the second problem, which is the height of the output panel. Let's fix it. Once again, to fix this problem, we will have to write some CSS code, and that code will be this time. In this code, we will target script view and panel body class of our output console. The first attribute which we will be styling is display. As we want that our console must take the entire width of the available space and start with a new line, thus we have to make sure that it will be treated as a block and not as an inline element. The next attribute which we will be styling is height. Using this attribute, you can set the height of your output console. For example, I have found that a height of 25 pixels is perfectly suitable for recording these tutorials for me. So I will set the height to 25 pixels. You can adjust the height of your console according to your preference. If you will save these changes, you will see that nothing has changed. To see these changes, we just need to add one more thing to our CSS, and that is an empty line. To add that empty line, we will use the pseudo element of CSS. So we want that empty line gets added after all the content gets printed in the console. Thus, first we need to add the indicator right after the name of the classes. Next, we will add the attribute content. This attribute will let us specify the content which we want to add to our element. This whole attribute will add an empty line after the entire output gets printed inside the output console. Now let's save and see the changes. Now this output is looking great. Here you can see the before and after comparison of our output console. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed watching. If so, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends on your social media. Most importantly, subscribe if you haven't already. This was a quick video on how to customize the output console of Atom Editor for Python programming. Thanks for watching. This is Manish from rebellionwriter.com.